Use free Stereo VPN for mobiles for the following scenes. Browsing. Stereo VPN for mobiles figures out the easiest way to visit websites unavailable at school, office, or region, containing content sites you like. A new IP address will be assigned after you connect to one server provided by this best VPN for mobiles to browse the internet. Your privacy is guaranteed through Auto Clean Engine. Gaming. Stereo VPN for mobiles frees your gameplay in any region despite territory restriction. It offers multiple servers in many countries or areas. You can connect those servers in different locations to play banned online video games successfully in your region. For example, it can work as a PUBG VPN. Additionally, this VPN for gaming excels greatly reducing ping times in case that lags happen from time to enhance game experience. Streaming. Streaming services win popularity thanks to the supply of unlimited movies, TV shows, and other splendid contents. However, the giant services, like Netflix, Hulu, set a boundary depending on regions to prevent audiences in some areas from access. Stereo VPN for mobiles enables you to enjoy libraries of mainstream streaming services through a connection to available regions. No matter where you live, this streaming VPN can direct you to watch everything without hassle. Socializing. If you move or have a long-time business trip to a country where social networks like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok face government censorship, Stereo VPN for mobiles routines the internet traffic for access to banned services and helps you stay in touch with your friends and family. It offers a high-level secure way to eliminate disclosure on privacy. Plus, this best mobile VPN ensures the stability of connection. You can socialize online without hassle regardless of where you are. Working. Stereo VPN for mobile gives a big hand when you need to deal with confidential works. It encrypts the traffic and sets flexible IPs so that your activities online can't be tracked or monitored. No matter where you work, at home or office, it delivers non-stop protection. What's more, using Stereo VPN for mobiles, you can work in any region no matter where you are. Stereo VPN for mobiles free, fast, and secure network solution. Save more, stress less. Stereo VPN is an all-around VPN for mobile that ticks all the boxes. It caters to users to the high-grade encryption protocols, lightning-fast speed of data transfer, and get access to websites. Threading all the lines together, it has proven itself to be a trustworthy one among the competitors. Try Stereo VPN for mobiles now. Stereo VPN for mobile phones is easy to use, no hassle, no risk. With security reinforced and browser privacy, Stereo can be the best VPN for mobiles that protect your privacy in every possible way. Download Stereo VPN for mobile phones now. Get access to content freely? Stereo VPN for mobiles offers huge servers around the world. With it, you can easily gain access to the services that are shut off from your country. What's more convenient is that you can directly connect to various platforms within this software, the platforms ranging from the streaming video vendors, Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, the famous games brands, PUBG, Roblox, chat tools, WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, or social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Just a simple click and you can reach wherever you want. Best-in-class encryption. Stereo VPN safeguards your data when it's traveling to the internet, and it prevents it from being intercepted by ISP, government, and any third-party advertisers. FYI, the encryption tunnel built for you uses the protocols that the Magnate VPNs are currently adopting, which makes it more secure than ever to connect to public Wi-Fi or online banking. Trust VPN and let its robust encryption bring you super tight security from now on. Download now. Blazing fast speed. Stereo VPN builds a safe tunnel for you without compromising the transferring speed. Your network speed will not be limited, And what's even better is that your mobile phone speed will be beefed up to surpass the original speed when you connect to Stereo VPN. Statistics show that the lightning-fast speed is qualified to undertake the streaming of SD, HD, Ultra HD quality of videos on any video vendor platforms. Download now. Top features. Ads block. This feature helps to block malicious ads, especially when you are visiting web pages with browsers. Permitting no pop-ups and leaving no traces for advertisers, Stereo VPN for mobile returns you the purest internet environment with one click of connection. Browser privacy. Stereo VPN allows users to automatically clean up their traces in browsers. Up to now, this feature supports all the mainstream browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, IE, and Waterfox. Global connection. One click to connect your device to the network of the servers. Stereo VPN has so far provided users with more than 800 reliable servers from every corner of this world. If you have a problem orienting to the best server, Stereo VPN will help you with it by automatically picking the best quality server for you. Unlimited bandwidth. Stereo VPN for Windows promises never to slow down your network connection. Stereo VPN even manages to mitigate the influence of IPS throttling, an intentional slow speed imposed by your internet provider. As a consequence, this VPN makes it possible to accelerate users' network speed. With this free VPN for mobiles, the invisible walls or caps will not limit your bandwidth speed any longer. Security reinforce. This feature is exclusively provided to Stereo VPN users. With this function activated, your mobile phone will be less likely to suffer from data leakage. And any insidious or malicious bugs will be detected and fixed automatically. Kill switch. The function kill switch guards against the sudden switch off of VPN connection. In this type of emergency, Stereo VPN will instantly close the tunnel so that your data will be still under the defense of encryption until the connection recovers. Pricing plan. One-time payment. $75. Limited time offer. Unlimited free access. Unlocked premium version VPN. Fastest internet speed. No monthly or yearly subscription fee. Browser privacy. Buy now. Stereo VPN for mobile phones is easy to use, no hassle, no risk. Regular price, $160. Limited time offer, $75. Unlimited premium version. We provide you a full 60 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with Stereo VPN, simply send me an email, and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. More than 12K happy customers. Don't miss out on this amazing VPN and get instant access today. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that will give you everything you need. I hope to see you on the inside. Grab the offer? Stereo VPN Premium. Right arrow no monthly or yearly subscription fee. Right arrow one-time payment only. Right arrow Premium VPN Unlimited free access. Download now. Privacy policy.